Turn on notifications because every week we meet on Our Money to discuss the secrets of the wealthy. And every week I want to meet with you to make sure you are getting your money right and setting yourself and your future family up for long-term wealth. Meet with me 5 to 60 minutes every week right here. Take notes and let's talk getting wealthy. Let me talk you into getting wealthy. And I want you to write this down to start. We're talking about good debt versus bad debt today and how to get out of debt if you're in it. Good debt equals other people pay. That's good debt, or assets pay. Other people pay or assets pay. Bad debt equals you pay. Anything that you have to pay for that's debt you don't want, anything other people will pay or that your assets will pay for is good debt. If you have too much bad debt, there is a debt knockout plan for you, and I'm going to give it to you. Number 1 is to pay off consumer debts first. Number 2 is start with small balances first. Number 3 is always have a target. You want to have a weekly, a monthly, and a yearly target for how much you're paying off. Number 4 is to have an amortization table for every single debt that you have. Number 5 is don't pay your own mortgage. And number 6 is don't pay your own car. So to put this in perspective, poor and middle class people, they pay cash or they use debt to make their purchases. Rich people, they buy or they create an asset that gives cash flow and they let their cash flow pay.